Hi, welcome to the technical slide. This is Manish, and in this video, I am going to talk about Azure APIM. APIM is a consistent and modern API gateway, which means APIs can be created in any of the supported programming language in Azure, and you will get similar experience while working in APIM. It also helps to unlock the potential of data and services. Let's suppose you have an API developed for internal uses, but over the period of time, you realize that it has more uses potential. Then you may go and use APIM to improve the reach of the API. APIM is quite flexible in terms of uses. It can be consumed by website, mobile applications, desktop application at same point of time. APIM is also a collaborative environment for developer, business and security stakeholders. They can use APIM as per their need and collect the information they want. There are two groups. One is admin and another one is developers. Admin mainly creates API and add to one or more product. So we can say that admin plays a publisher role. On the other side, developers subscribe to product published by admin and call the API operation to understand the request and response behavior. There are three components in APIM. First component is API gateway. API gateway accepts API call and routes them to your backend services. It verifies API keys, JWT tokens, certificates, and other credentials. It applies uses quotas and rate limits. It can also transform API on the fly without code modifications. Second component is Azure Portal. It is the administrative interface where you can set up your API programs. It defines or import API schema, package APIs into products, and set up policies for quotas and transformation of the API. The third component is Developer Portal. This is the place where developers do their work. It helps to read API documentation, understand the API using interactive console, and create an account and subscribe to get API keys. There are some common terms in APIM, and those terms are backend API, frontend API, APIM product, APIM operation, policies, version, revision. So let's see each one of them one by one. Backend API. This is an HTTP service that implements your API and its operations. Frontend API. An APIM API does not host your APIs. It creates facade for your APIs, and you can customize facade according to your need without touching your backend APIs. APIM product. APIM product mainly contains one or more APIs along with uses quota and limit rate. APIM operations. Each APIM API represents a set of operations available to developers. Each APIM API contains a reference to the backend service that implements the API, and its operations map to the operation implemented by the backend service. Policies. These are set of configured rules for APIs which get executed in a sequential manner during request and response cycle version. Sometimes you want to publish new or a different API feature to some user, but other want to stick to the API that they are currently using. In that case, you can use version. Revision is a more sophisticated way to make code changes to your APIs. We can use revision when you don't want to disturb the existing consumer of your API, but at the same time, you want to make some changes in your APIs. Once your API is ready, tested, then you can make that revision as your current so that anyone can consume it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked my video and interested in upcoming videos on Azure, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.